If you are looking for a free and easy way to instantly format the references for your research paper or thesis, then this video is for you. Whether you are submitting your paper, writing a thesis, or changing the journal later on, this simple tool can save you a lot of time. The best part is that you don't need to install any software or pay any money. So let's see how it works. Simply go to the MyBib website, choose the source like the book or the journal, then enter either the paper title or its DOI. I personally prefer using the DOI because it usually gives the most accurate results. Now click search and then add citation. Within seconds, your reference is ready. But here's the feature that I find most helpful. MyBib lets you choose from thousands of different journal citation styles. Or you can simply search the journal by its name. For example, here I am choosing the Science Journal. And now let's switch to the Frontiers in Plant Sciences. The moment you choose a journal style, all your references are automatically reformatted. But it is always good to check if the formatting style matches with the journal guidelines or not. I will verify this by opening the Frontiers in Plant Science Journal's official author guidelines and compare the reference style. As you can see, it matches the journal guidelines exactly. Once this is verified, you can simply copy and paste the in-text citation and the full reference into your paper or thesis. If you have multiple references, you can also download all of them together in the required journal format and use them directly in your manuscript. Personally, I never recommend formatting references manually. It takes time, mistakes are easy to make, and if you later submit your paper to another journal, you will probably have to format everything again. Instead, you can let MyBib do the work in just a few seconds. Now I want to hear from you, which reference manager or citation tool do you currently use? Or are you still formatting the references manually? And if you're looking for a completely free reference manager that can organize all your papers and automatically cite them while you write, then Zotero is still my top recommendation. I have already uploaded a complete step-by-step tutorial on Zotero, so you can watch that next. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.